All right, hello everyone. Today my video about the Rylo camera. Well, I bought the first one from Amazon, and I just used one time. And when I opened I tried to open the battery, but I didn't know how to do it. I thought the groove right here is the place to open, but it wasn't. It's supposed to be right here. You press the button and it popped up. I didn't know that, so I tried to push this one, and then the camera just slipped to my hand. It slid to the floor, and then you see the lens is broken. This lens is still intact, but this lens is broken. So when the lens broken, the image is not clear anymore. So I contact the Rylo. They said I have to pay for the new one, $499. When I paid $499, they will mail to me the new one, and then I send them back with the old one. And they also said I only need to send the camera only. All the accessory like battery and the memory card I can keep. I can keep it. I already sent the old one back, and then they only charge me $149 for the lens. So lesson learned. I bought the protection case for the Rylo. It's like around $69, I think. So hopefully this one can at least protect it from sliding, breaking the lens by sliding down my hand. So now let's open the new one. Let's see how it's work. All right, be back. So okay, this is the new one. And so the Rylo is more, I think it's more expensive than the GoPro 7, because the Rylo is the 360 degrees camera, and GoPro only like 180. And with Rylo, this one is still have stability, like the gimbal. You don't need the gimbal for it. See the box, very nice. And the way they do it just feel like luxury. And this is the case. I will open the case so I can put my camera right back in. I don't want it slide from my hand again, and then I have to pay $149 for it. So this is the case. It's about $69. Gee, it's the big case. You have the glasses here, and it said we can swim down to the water under like 30 meter down. All right, this is the inside of it. Now I take this camera out and I put it right back in, so I won't mess up with it. And the camera look to me is look new, brand new. Okay. And right here you see the with this one, the metal part is this stand on the top of the groove, and then you press it down, and the wire you have it. So with this one, it still have the classy. If you have accidentally slide on the some surface, it still have some scratch, and the scratch may not give you the good video quality. So make sure you protect this lens as well. All right. So I put at least I can have protection right now. Oh, they have the backup cleans for the case. That's good. They have a screw for it, and they have some instruction. Very good products. So if you like me, you broke the Rylo lens, what you need to do, you contact them, let them know you pay the fees for the new one. They send you a new one, and then you just send back the old one. When you send back the old one, they said you can keep the flashlight, the battery. You only need you need to send the actual camera. All right, thank you, and have a good day.